Create your own skincare brand with Universal Company's private label skincare. These formulations are 100% naturally sourced and have been thoughtfully designed to achieve the best results using powerful actives like glycolic acid, vitamin C, and lactic acid, just to name a few. Sample the products for yourself before investing with the private label skincare sample kit. One of the things you'll immediately notice when opening the kit is that each of the bottles and tubes are distinctly different. That's to show you the broad range of possibilities you'll have when customizing your skincare line to your business's unique personality. You'll have the ability to select between 5 gorgeous label styles, customize a look with the highlight color that matches your brand, and then add in your logo. If you don't have a logo, you can use one of our presets to generate something professional with minimal effort. This kit is comprised of our 5 best-selling products and sample sachets of the rest of the product. First up, we have the Rejuvenating Cream Cleanser. This cleanser deep cleanses without compromising the skin's natural moisture barrier and provides the skin with an antioxidant boost. I love this cleanser because it's getting my skin super clean, but it's not stripping it. So whenever I'm finished cleansing my skin, it still feels nice and moisturized. Another thing I love about private label skincare is the scent. Every single one of these products smells incredible. Next up, we have the Brightening C and Peptide Moisturizer. This moisturizer is a luxurious blend of botanicals that gives the skin a youthful glow. It visibly firms and smooths skin while deeply hydrating with a blend of peptides, vitamin C, CoQ10, and Metapsome seed oil. This has just an incredible scent. It's citrus, as you would imagine. I can't get enough of the smell of all of these products. It's just so fresh smelling. And as you can see, that provides a super beautiful glow right off the bat. Next up is the Hydrating Mist. This mist revitalizes the skin with an aromatic hydrating toner. It's perfect for setting makeup or to use as a refreshing, nourishing mist. This mist has been a staple not only in my daily skincare lineup, but also on vacations, especially beach trips. This is a great essential to have in your beach bag. You spray it and it just gives you the most refreshed feeling. Not only that, but you can also use it to set or freshen up your makeup throughout the day. And I love that it just provides that extra glow that you may lose throughout the day. Again, like every single product in the private label lineup, the smell of this is unmatched. It almost has a spearmint scent to it. I can't recommend this product enough. Next up is the Restorative Facial Oil. This oil is an exclusive blend of rosehip, kukui, and argan oils. It's rich in revitalizing fatty acids, minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. It helps restore parched complexions, while Rose Auto Essential Oil imparts a light, lovely aroma. I have a little bit of a personal testimony with this oil. I used it while I was on a pretty rigorous skin treatment, and this oil completely saved my skin from being dry and cracking again. The scent of this is amazing as well. And really, it just takes a couple of drops. Apply it to your skin. This is one of those products that makes you feel like you're at the spa receiving a luxurious treatment. It's something that I look forward to every single evening at the end of my skincare lineup. And lastly, the Nourishing Lip Balm. This balm is a rich lip treatment that combines sweet almond oil, beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter for soft, smooth lips. This is great for dry, dehydrated lips. I keep this at my desk so I can reapply throughout the day. And I also put it on at night before bed and just wake up with plump lips. It smells like spearmint and it just feels amazing and keeps your lips lush and plump. And there you have it. That is the private label sample kit, including the sample sachets of every single other product in the line that you'll also receive. So you can sample everything before investing in the private label skincare yourself.